In this video, I'm going to describe how to link ImagePro license bundles to offline targets. There are three ways of licensing ImagePro on offline computers. You can link a license bundle to an offline computer. You can link a license to a dongle. That dongle can be used on any computer, either online or offline. And you can link license bundles to an offline license server. Linking a license bundle to a dongle must be done with the license manager on an online computer. This is covered in our licensing overview video. In order to link license bundles to offline computers and offline license servers, you need to access the license manager on your offline computer, and you also need to access the license manager on a second online computer. There are several ways to access the license manager. You can download it from the resources page of mediasci.com. You can open an unlicensed version of ImagePro. The license manager opens automatically. Or you can open the license manager from the ImagePro help menu. Let's start by linking a license bundle to an offline computer. You need to know the MAC address of the offline computer. We can easily find that using the license manager on the offline computer. Move your cursor over to this computer icon. The computer MAC address is displayed in the tooltip. Click on the MAC address to copy it to the clipboard. You can then paste the MAC address into a text document, which you can save and move to your online computer. The next step of the process takes place on the online computer, where we need to access the license manager. Sign into the license manager with your MyMediaSci username and password. Your license bundles are listed in the My Unlinked Licenses table. Select the checkbox of the license bundle that you wish to link and click on the Link button. Click on the Show Offline Targets option. Select the Offline Computer option. We need to enter the MAC address of the offline computer, so at this point we open the text document that we saved on the offline computer and paste it into the text field and click OK. A Save Response dialog opens, allowing us to save a file named Link Computer with the offline computer's MAC address as part of the name. This file is needed on the offline computer, so it's a good idea to save it to a USB flash drive or other portable storage medium. The dialog opens with instructions on the next steps to complete the process, and it warns us that the file is valuable. This is our license file, so we do need to look after it. The license manager updates to show the license bundle in the My Linked Licenses table. The computer icon is shown in the target column. The tooltip for the icon shows that the license is linked to another computer and shows the MAC address of that computer. The linking can now be completed on the offline computer. Re-access the license manager on the offline computer. Click on the folder icon. An Open Response dialog opens. I've moved my USB flash drive to my offline computer, so I can navigate to the linked computer file that was saved on the online computer. Select the file. The license manager updates and shows the linked license bundle in the My Linked Licenses table. The computer icon is shown in the target column, and this icon's tooltip confirms that the license is linked to this offline computer. The license linking process is now complete. I'm now going to run through the steps required to link licenses to an offline license server. This is a very similar process to linking licenses to an offline computer. Let's run through the steps. The first step is to access the license manager on the offline computer that's hosting the license server. By moving your cursor over This Computer icon, a tooltip is displayed showing the MAC address. By clicking on the MAC address, it's copied to the clipboard. It can be pasted into a text document that can be moved to the online computer. The next step is done on the online computer. Sign into the License Manager with your MyMediaSign username and password. Your license bundles are listed in the My Unlinked Licenses table. Select all of the bundles that you wish to link. Keep in mind that you also need to link a license server module, without which the license server will not function. Select the option to show offline targets. As several bundles and a license server module are being linked, the offline license server is the only valid option and must be selected. The MAC address of the license server host computer is required at this point and can be pasted from the text document that was saved on the offline computer. After clicking OK, a Save Response dialog opens, with which the linked license server file can be saved to a mobile medium such as a USB flash drive. A dialog that explains the importance of this file, as well as instructions on completing the process, is shown. The License Manager updates and shows all of the selected bundles and the license server module in the My Linked Licenses table. The license server icon is shown in the target column. The MAC address of the license server host computer is shown in the icons tooltip. The final step of the process is done on the offline license server host computer. Access the License Manager and click on the folder icon. An open response dialog is shown. Navigate to and select the linked license server file from your mobile medium that you saved on the online computer. Select the license server page of the License Manager. The Select Host drop-down can be left with the default local host setting. The newly linked license server module license and Image Pro license bundles are listed in the Licenses Linked to License Server table. Image Pro can now be linked to the license server on any computer on the same offline network as the license server. To do this, access the License Manager on every computer on which Image Pro is installed. On the license server page, select the computer hosting the license server from the Select Host drop-down. Click Connect. Image Pro will now be licensed from the license server, provided there is a free license bundle available. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact Media Cybernetics and we'll be happy to help.